Hi, this is KL Niharika, counseling psychologist and founder of 4 Steps Up. You are watching part 1 of video series on parenting mistakes. Anything that makes a child feel worthless is parenting mistake. So this video is about our expectations. Imagine I have a child and I want my child to perform very well, and I want my child to get first rank in the class and do well in the music, and I want my child to get gold medals and all the prizes, and I want my child to take the family responsibilities. I want my child to serve my in-laws and my husband and somehow help all those people, and I want many things from my child. So now, how to understand which one is expectation and which one is over expectation? So generally people keep saying that parents should not have over expectations, but how can a parent know which is expectation and which is over expectation? So only one way in which you can know is, I gave the example where I want my child to get gold medal first rank. So where is this desire coming from? So that is first question. So I want my child to get gold medal because I never got gold medal in my childhood and I always wanted to get a gold medal. So that means that is coming from my past, my desires. And secondly, I want my child to play music well. So that is coming from my own desires. I wanted to always become a musician, but I could not. So it is coming from my own desires. I want my child to take care of my in-laws and husband because I am not able to spend time on them, and they keep taunting me, they keep scolding me that you are not taking care of us properly. So that means I am not able to meet my own demands. So that's why I have kept these things to my child. Like my child has to do things which I could not do. So all these, whatever I mentioned in the beginning, are coming from my own needs and my own desires. So then what happens is, generally child fails in meeting those expectations because those are not meant for child. So expectations on child can be there. Like for example, I want my child to study English. So that expectation I can have, but only if my child is showing interest in English. I can have expectation that my child have to perform well in the music, but that should come from the observation. Like my child always goes to instruments and tries to play different kinds of instruments. So my child is interested in instruments. That's why I want my child to play instruments. If my expectations are coming from observations, then those are expectations because they are realistic. My child can meet. And if they are unrealistic, they are coming from my own needs. I am 30-year-old and I have so many needs. And if I impose all these needs on my child, those are definitely over expectations. And sometimes if I have low self-esteem, I want to show to my relatives, neighbors that my child is very capable, and I feel low in front of people, then I want to my child to perform well so that people will appreciate me for raising nice child. So like that, if they are coming from my own desires and needs, those are over expectations. So what happens if I have over expectations? What's wrong in that? So for example, if I give a higher goal, what is wrong in that? So this is something more than what child can do. Then what's wrong in that? So it's not like right or wrong, but what happens is child always will fail. That is definite, because these are not made for him. These are not made for her. So what happens is that child will keep on failing, failing, failing. He will start feeling worthless. After that, he will get fear of failure. So he will not try any new things because he believes that he cannot do anything. He is worthless. Because of that, he gives up everything in his life. But actually what is happening here, I am giving him tasks which he cannot do, and I am expecting that he has to do, but he is not able to do. So that gives him a false impression that he cannot do anything. But if he chooses something which he can do, like which is meant for him, then maybe he can do, but he will not understand that fact. So always he will measure his capability basing on whether he is able to meet these over expectations or not, needs of mother or not, whether he is able to meet needs of mother or not. Then what happens? Either it is mother or father. So if parents over expect, child will fail again and again and feel very inferior about self, worthless about self. After that, he or she will start procrastinating. So initially he was a perfectionist, like he wants to do everything perfect and meet the needs, but later he turns into procrastinator, and that in long term he will feel like he's not able to do anything. So ultimately he will become depressed. So all these are the consequences of expecting more from a child. So if you are a parent who expects many things from child, and if you are disappointed with the performance of the child, first identify what is the reason. Is it because you are having some desires and needs, and you want your child to fulfill your needs, or this is one case. And other case is like you don't know what your child actually wants. You have something in your mind, you could not do something and you want that from child. So you have to figure out if your expectations are real, and whether your child can actually meet them or not, and what kind of expectations you can have from your child. You have to introspect and identify all these aspects. And if you are a child who had been struggling because your parents had been over expecting from you and asking you to do things and you had been failing, then you have to identify the patterns, and you have to understand that you failed because they had over expectations, not because you are worthless or not capable. So you have to identify those things, and you have to again try to form your own identity. So this time it's going to be different, because previously you had been meeting their needs, their demands. Now you have to set some things for yourself, and you have to work on your goals, and you have to see if you have set right goals or not, which are apt for you, which are suitable for you or not. That's how you can handle. Maybe if this is not possible on your own, if it is not possible for you to deal on your own, you can seek help, and parents also can seek help and find out what kind of expectations they can have and what kind of expectation they should not have. And for that you can seek help from counselor, or you can take any kind of training program, parenting training program. So this is the video on over expectations, and I'll be making more videos on different kind of topics. So if you want to watch all videos, subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications. And thank you for watching.